Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Ruth Prashant, and first I want to say sorry because I was inactive since few months, and now I will try my best to maintain consistency. Okay, let's dive straight into the tutorial.
First, record your game and import it into the Capcut as I am doing. You need two applications, Capcut and Alight Motion. First, change the aspect ratio of the video into 9:16. Now adjust your clip to the ratio. Now go to Audio, then Extracted, and import the audio which I have given in the description. Okay, let's find the beat and mark it now. It's very easy. Now follow me how exactly I am doing. Split the clip from where you want and to where you want the slow motion. It will be around 1 to 3 second long clip. Now change its speed into 0.1 and enable better quality. Also change the main clip speed to 1.4, 1.5. Now match your beat and clip. But you can see slow motion clip is too short, so delete the audio and main clip, then export only slow motion clip. Do not press done, simply go back to the project. Now undo audio and main clip. Delete slow motion part and import just exported clip. Now change its speed according to your need. Perfect! Now let's add motion blur. Go to motion blur and make blur 100 and blend 20. Change times into twice. You can add hollow blur if you want. Now export it and open Alight Motion. I have given an XML file in description. Just replace these layers with just edited one. It's too easy, just follow how I am doing.